Find the equivalent of 7,841 base 10 in base 2. Solution. Now we are going to perform the repeated division, noting down our remainders as we go. So to the right side of this column, we have 7,841. And then we are dividing by 2. Now let's do this. 2 in 7, that's 3, remainder 1. Stick that to 8 and we have 18. Like this. Now 2 in 18 is 9, no remainder. So we go to 2 in 4, which is 2, no remainder. And then 2 in 1 is 0 with a remainder of 1. Now let's continue. 2 in 3, 1 remainder 1, that makes this 19. And then 2 in 19 is 9 remainder 1. And then in 12 we have 6 without a remainder. And in 0 is 0, no remainder as well. So we continue. 2 in 19 is 9 remainder 1. In 16 we have 8, no remainder. And then in 0 we just write the 0 and the remainder is also 0. Now 2 in 9 is 4 remainder 1. In 18 is 9, no remainder. And then we have here as 0. So remainder 0. 2 in 490 would have 2, 4, and then 5. Remainder 0. 2 in 2, 1. In 4, 2. In 5, 2. Remainder 1. 2 in 12, 6. In 2, 1. Remainder 0. Now 2 in 61, that will give us 30. Remainder 1. 2 in 30 is 15. Remainder 0. 2 in 15 is 7. Remainder 1. 2 in 7 is 3. Remainder 1. 2 in 3 is 1. Remainder 1. And then 2 in 1 is 0. Remainder 1. So we write our answer in reverse order. Therefore, 7,841 base 10 equals 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 base 2. And that's the equivalent of this number in base 2. Thank you.